Hey guys, welcome back. If it's your first time here, hi, I'm Sophia. Welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. How you doing? Today's video is a black smoky eye tutorial, as you can already tell probably from the title. You guys seem to love the blue smoky eye tutorial that I posted, was it last week? So I decided to go ahead and make a black smoky eye tutorial. I do have one on my channel already, but it's not as good as this one. This is the grown woman sexy smoky eye tutorial. I don't know. Anyways, I feel like I have grown a lot when it comes to doing my makeup, so I just wanted to redo the look in case there's anyone who's interested, or if there's anyone who loves a black smoky eye as much as I do. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I don't want to talk too much today. I feel like I talk a lot and on my videos, so let's just jump right into the video. If you like the look already, please don't forget to give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, because you need to, okay? If that's all done, let's just jump right into the video. To create today's smoky eye look, I'm gonna be using my Morphe 35M Boss Smooth palette, and I'm gonna be using the black here. It's really black, and I'm gonna be using some browns as well. I'm gonna be using this dark brown, and we're gonna need a lighter brown to kind of blend things, you know, above the crease area. For that, I'm gonna be using the Zulu palette by Juvia. It has this really rich brown that I love. Okay, I'm just gonna swatch the brown for you guys. There, this brown is hot fire. It's better than all the browns in the Morphe palette, so we're just gonna use both palettes together. So let's get into it. I already primed my upper and lower lids, as you guys can see, and I used my Plouise base. This is Rumor 3. I'm gonna quickly go over the base again, just pat it. It tends to crease in some places. Here. Now I'm gonna take the brown from the Zulu palette. I'm gonna take that into the crease area and a little bit above the crease as well. And just patting it in. And as you guys can see, I am taking in the brown. I'm taking it all around. So from my outer V area to the crease, and then I'm taking it right here to the beginning. You want the brown to kind of surround the black. You see what I mean? I'm just gonna blend that brown. I'm just gonna take it higher up above the crease. Okay, perfecto. Now I'm gonna switch palettes. I'm gonna go into the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna apply the dark brown, and I'm gonna take this into the crease, slightly below the crease, I'd say. And just like we did before, I'm just gonna take it all around. Just gonna blend it into the first brown. And this is in a really tiny blending brush. Just make it as precise as can be. I accidentally went in with the black. Oh, geez. That's okay. We're just gonna keep blending. I'm just gonna go back again into the Juvia's Place brown, and I'm just gonna reapply the color. Okay, I think we got a nice blend going on for now. I'm gonna go back and blend the top part later. I like to do that last for some reason. I don't know why. But I'm gonna go into my Morphe Gel Liner. You can use any black gel liner you have. You could also use the NYX Jumbo Black Pencil. That's a really good pencil to use for a smoky eye or to use as a base. Now I'm gonna take the gel liner. I'm just gonna use a small eyeliner brush, and I'm just gonna apply that to the middle of my brows. Did I say the middle of my brows? I'm sorry. The middle of my lids. I don't take it so high up. I just take it a little close to my crease. Okay, now going back into the Morphe palette, I'm gonna apply the black eyeshadow, and I'm pretty much just gonna press that on. All that's left to do is just blend. I'm gonna go into the brown from the Morphe, and again I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna start from outside, and I'm just gonna use small circular motions, blend it out. I'm gonna go all the way inside. Okay, blend it out. It just gets quite repetitive at this point. I'm just gonna apply the black and then apply the brown and then blend. And I'm gonna try not to take that blend way too up. You don't want to go past your crease with that. Okay, next I'm gonna go into the Zulu palette and we're gonna take the same brown. Now I'm just gonna blend the next layer just above the crease. And one last time, I'm just gonna reapply the black just in the middle. Lastly, I'll just go in with a bigger blending brush and I'm gonna take this light brown from the Morphe palette. And I'm just gonna quickly blend the top kind of into the brow bone area. Okay, I know we look a little dark, we look a little raccoony, but we're gonna fix it up real quick. So I have finished this eye off camera. I did apply some glitter shadows just to the eyeliner, you know, just give it a little oomph, pizzazz, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. I'm gonna take my Morphe Gel Liner and I'm gonna line my eyes. We're not gonna do a wing line, just a simple eyeliner. Just gonna make that a little thick so it shows. There you go. I'm gonna use a small pointy brush and my glitter glue from Too Faced, and I'm gonna apply the glitter glue to the gel liner. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this glitter. This is from Jlaruecosmetics and it's nice, black, shimmery. I didn't think the glitters were so small. I wanted bigger, bolder, chunkier glitters, but this should do. Now I'm just gonna use the same brush, apply the glitter just to the to where I applied the glue. Just gonna use that as the eyeliner today. Okay, I'm gonna quickly line my waterline using the same Morphe Gel Liner. I'm gonna quickly reapply the Plouise base, the Rumor 3. I cleaned it off just because I had a lot of fallout and it was looking a whole mess, guys. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that. For my under eyes, I'm going to be going back to the same Morphe palette and I'm going to be using the black. And I'm just going to take that just right underneath. I'm going to go as high up as possible. And I'm going to go into the same palette and apply the brown. And we're just going to blend. Actually, I think I'm going to use the brown from the Zulu palette just because I think it's more flattering, honestly. Yeah, there we go. That's better. That's beautiful. I'm just gonna go in with a bigger blending brush, just make them one family under there. Perfect, I love it. I still have to fix my brows just because I feel like they got lost in the sauce, especially this one, but I'll do that off camera. I don't have really good lashes. Everything I have ordered has been taking 2-3 weeks. At this point, I don't even know how I'm still making these videos because I barely have anything that I need or that I want to use. Anyways, I'm going to be using some lashes. These are from Amazon. I don't recommend them, but it's all that I've got, so I'm just going to use them. If I put on the lashes, I'm just going to quickly apply some mascara. This is the Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline. Okay, I think I got the lashes on. There's not a lot of volume here, so I think I may go double up the lashes, but I'm gonna fight with that off camera. And I'm gonna pretty much apply my foundation contour just to save time. I just really wanted to show you guys how I do the smoky eye. I feel like I do my whole face process in every video and it's not necessary, I don't think, you know. So I'm just gonna do all of that off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, I have got my contour, my foundation, everything's on, everything's looking good. I also straightened my hair. I think straight is best for this look today. Let's go ahead and finish up this look. I'm gonna first spritz my face with my Mario Badescu setting spray. I like to do that before applying my highlighter or my blush. It just makes it look a lot better. I'm gonna start off by applying blush. I'm gonna be using my Alamar Cosmetics and I'm gonna be mixing Isla and Toasted. So these two right here. Next, I'm gonna apply some highlighter. I want something a little bit blinding because this look needs to wake up a little bit. So I'll be using my Juvia's Place Royalty 1 highlighter. I'm just gonna apply the highlighter here I've seen that a lot in a lot of videos. I've never tried it, so let's try it today. I'm gonna apply the same highlighter to my inner tear duct. Ooh, it's like a punch of color. I'm gonna be doing a nude lip. I'm gonna use my ColourPop Slow Down Lip Pencil and my Huda Beauty Girlfriend lipstick. Alright, and I think this look could use some gloss, so I'm gonna go in with Peach Tea from Dominique Cosmetics. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this smoky eye tutorial. I love a good smoky eye and I haven't done one in a while. I don't think I've done one since the last video I did on YouTube, which is probably back in 2017. I'm not sure why. I think the world has moved to cutting creases and I've tried to follow them. My cut creases aren't perfect, but I'm still putting in the work. But sometimes it's good to go back to basics, go back to, you know, the looks that you love and just kind of redo them, make them their best self. I hope I did that for you guys. I hope you guys feel inspired by this black smoky eye. I really love the glitter. To me, I don't know, it just takes it to another level. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful or if you just like or love the look, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure to turn on your notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.